Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch Ultra 2 gestures. Let's dive right into mastering these intuitive controls. You'll learn to interact with your watch effortlessly, making tasks like answering calls or scrolling through messages incredibly simple. This feature is designed to give you more control, especially when your other hand is occupied. It's all about making your daily interactions smoother and more efficient, giving you a hands-free experience. The double tap gesture is incredibly versatile. Simply bring your thumb and index finger together twice in quick succession. This action allows you to answer incoming calls, dismiss alarms, or even control music playback. Imagine pausing a song with just a quick tap of your fingers. You can also customize what this gesture does in your watch's settings, tailoring it to your most frequent needs for maximum convenience. Beyond the double tap, other gestures offer even more control. A single clench of your fist can scroll through your smart stack or dismiss a notification, keeping your hands free. A quick tap of your thumb and index finger can select an item or confirm an action, making navigation seamless. For those seeking even more advanced control, explore the assistive touch features, which unlock a wider range of customizable hand movements for a truly personalized experience. To get the most out of your Apple Watch Ultra 2 gestures, ensure your watch fits snugly on your wrist. This helps with accurate detection. Practice these movements regularly to build muscle memory, making them second nature. If you find the gestures too sensitive or not sensitive enough, you can easily adjust their responsiveness in the accessibility settings. Remember to keep your watch's software updated to benefit from any new gesture features or improvements Apple releases, ensuring a consistently smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.